Alright, that worked. Wasn't supposed to work. Anyway, right. So that's the ASSA Ruko 2, number 3, untampered with. So let's cut this. Check it out. I was about to do a short overview of some picks that I tried to use on this lock, but obviously this Sparrow's deep hook did the job in less than 1.5 minutes. Okay, I'll do the review some of the time. Now let's try to dig into this one. Maybe. Well, that's the bitting on the key. Pretty nasty stuff. Highs and lows, 7 pins. What am I looking for? I'm looking for some kind of right. Screwdriver. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, red Loctite. Okay. So we have a Ruko 2 with a 7-pin snowman. I featured one of these locks before. This is another lock that I purchased just to have something to do. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay. We have probably, yep, we have counter milling in 1, 2, 4, 6 as the other one I showed you. And the pins we've got inside are the counter milling corresponds to 1, 2, 4, and 6 Christmas tree pins, and we also have these mushroom type key pins that will get stuck in the shear line if you push them up too far. And what I've seen in these 7-pin ASSA Rukos is that they all follow the same pattern. They have Christmas tree pins in 1, 2, 4, and 6, and if you know that, it's much easier to go ahead and pick these. So when I first got this, I tried to pick it up, and I worked on it for about 15 minutes and gave up. Went and did something else, and then came back and then popped it open in 2 minutes. Anyway, so that's the second, or actually third, ASSA Ruko 2 I've got, or had. The first one I sent to Slim Pickens, the second one I still have, and this is the third that I now picked on camera. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see ya.